Relative pronouns. Unlocking the power of connections. Hey there, English language learners. Welcome to another exciting episode of our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sentence structure and punctuation, focusing specifically on compound and complex sentences. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating realm of relative pronouns and how they help us create meaningful connections within our sentences. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the details, let's begin by understanding what relative pronouns are. Relative pronouns are special words that connect two different parts of a sentence, known as clauses. These pronouns serve as a bridge between the ideas expressed in those clauses, helping us add depth and clarity to our writing. The most commonly used relative pronouns are who, used for people; whom, used for people, formal or in certain cases; that, used for people or things; which, used for things or animals; whose, indicates possession and is used for both people and things. These pronouns establish a relationship between a main clause and a subordinate clause, allowing us to provide additional information or describe the noun that the relative pronoun refers to. Now that we understand the basics, let's see how relative pronouns work in real sentences. Consider the following example. Main clause, I met a girl. Subordinate clause, she is from Canada. To combine these two clauses using a relative pronoun, we could say, I met a girl who is from Canada. By using the relative pronoun, who, we establish a connection between the girl and her origin, Canada. This helps us convey more information in a concise and cohesive manner. Relative pronouns are incredibly versatile and can be used in various contexts. Let's explore some common scenarios where they come into play. A. Describing people. Relative pronouns are frequently used when describing people. For example, the doctor who treated me was very kind. I have a friend whose sister is a famous actress. B. Describing things. Relative pronouns are equally useful when describing things. Take a look at these examples. The book that I am reading is incredibly insightful. The car which I bought last month is very fuel efficient. C. Identifying objects. Relative pronouns can also help us identify specific objects. Consider these sentences. I lost the key that opens the safe. The restaurant where we had dinner last night was fantastic. Congratulations! You've made it through this exciting journey into the world of relative pronouns. By mastering the art of using these powerful connectors, you can elevate your English writing and speaking skills to new heights. Remember to keep practicing and incorporating relative pronouns into your sentences to enhance clarity and coherence. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue exploring the wonders of grammar. Until then, happy learning, and see you soon. Note: this video is intended for educational purposes only. No copyright infringement intended.